welcome to another one of my videos. Welcome to Divinely You Health and Wellness with me, Nicole. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 things that you can start doing today, like right now, to help you heal your psoriasis and eczema. Now, if you've been following this channel for a while, I've shared my journey and how I was able to cure my psoriasis and eczema, right? And I am here today because I know that there's a lot of you out there, many of you have reached out to me that are sufferers of these autoimmune disease. I know that psoriasis and eczema is no joke. I know what it feels like. I've had it for over 10 years and I've been there. So believe me when I tell you that I know what you are going through. So I am here to help you today as best as I possibly can. My duty as a health and wellness coach is to be able to help heal the world, okay? And you guys are my viewers, and you know that I'm always here to give you all the information that I have to help you, okay? So what is psoriasis and eczema? Psoriasis and eczema is an autoimmune disease, and it's caused by both internal and external factors. Internal factors such as stress, the food that we eat, smoking, medication, and external factors such as genetics and products that we might use on our skin that can help to cause flare-ups. So now for the 5 things that I'm going to share with you. Thing number 1 that you can do today, like right now, to begin to seriously heal your psoriasis and eczema for good, because these are the things that I've done for myself, and these are the things that this is the information that I use with my clients who have help with autoimmune disease. So thing number 1, cut out foods that are acidic, okay? Foods that are acidic, like coffee, are very acidic. Alcohol can be very acidic, and there are oranges. There are tons of foods out there that are considered very acidic food that cause the outer layer of the skin to flare up when you ingest it. So when you ingest it, it manifests itself on the outer surface of the skin. That's thing number 1. Thing number 2, pay attention to the detergent that you use and your skincare products. A lot of time the detergents have dyes and perfume, and these dyes and perfume, when you use it to wash your clothes, the outer surface of the skin, you will start to itch, and it will start to cause your skin to flare up. A lot of times the lotion, the face, the body cleanser that we use, like I said, have these especially perfume. These companies love to add perfume to cleansers and lotion. Pay attention to that. It causes flare up and does not help your autoimmune disease. Thing number 3, take a daily dose of probiotics. Now, I've made a video on probiotics, so I won't get into it. I will link that video to this at the end of this video. That video on probiotics will be linked, so you just go ahead and click that, and then you can watch both my journey with psoriasis and eczema, and as well as the importance of probiotics. I think underneath the probiotics video as well, I share with you a link that you can go and click on, and you can use that same probiotics that I use. Now, as far as the dosage of probiotics, 50 to 100 billion CFU you should be able to use in order for it to be effective in keeping your gut bacteria healthy, right? And the healthier our gut is, the better our immune system function. And remember, psoriasis and eczema is an autoimmune disease, so we need to take care of our gut bacteria. Thing number 4, drink plenty of water. I can stress this more. 8 to 10 cups of water daily if you can. And here is why. I talked about toxins in our body. We need water to be able to flush that toxin from our body, right? In order to decrease the flare-up of our psoriasis and eczema. Believe me, I can't stress to you how important it is for you to flush your body with water. Water also helps to transfer the nutrients that we eat through all our cells, which we really do need in order to repair the surface of the skin. You know how when you itch and you dig into your skin and you have that those flare-ups and you have that scaly thing going? Yes, we need to heal that, and the food that we eat has so much to do with healing the outer surface of our skin. Thing number 5, incorporate some form of physical exercise regimen. So whether it's aerobic exercises, whether it's yoga, Pilates, whether you go for a run or meditation. I can't begin to tell you, and I'm sure you've probably heard a million times, how stress is a killer, and it's true. It is no joke. When your body's stressed, it holds on to the toxin, and we don't release that toxin, and it stays in our bodies. And what does it do? It manifests itself on the outer surface, the outer layer of our skin. So we need some sort of physical regimen to eat to help us to de-stress. We have a lot. We have work, we have families to take care of, we have events, things popping up in our lives that causes us to stress every single day. We need to figure out a way, a method in which you can de-stress. Helps you to calm the body, to help the digestive system to be able to function, because once the digestive system is functioning, then all the other organs works best. Okay, so very, very, very important. I also, before I forget, I want to ask you guys to go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, hit subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel. If you like the content of the things that I'm sharing, go ahead and do that. I have a email series that I will be starting in January of 2021. I record this video at the end of December 2020. And I have a free health and nutrition guide email series that I want to offer to you guys out there for free. This is just information that's going to help you. It's filled with information on chemicals or chemical-free skincare, how to eat nutritious food, how to detox, the dangers of sugar, and how to reduce stress. These are just few of the topics that I cover in this e-letter that you will get to your email box every single week. And what you can do in order to join this free email series is I will leave the link to my website below this video, and I want you to go ahead and click on the link, and it will take you to my website. On my website, click on services, and when you click on services, you'll see the contact page pop up. Click on contact, go ahead and put in your name and your email address, and just in the information section you could just say, hey, I watched your video, I'm looking to join the free health and nutrition guide email series, and just shoot it out and it'll come to me, and I'll add you to this email list, and every single week you'll get this amazing information on how to help you to detox your body, how to help you to get rid of autoimmune diseases such as psoriasis and eczema for good. Like I said, you guys have been there. I want to help as much as possible. I love to be able to give back, so whatever I know, whatever I learn, I tried my very best to share it with you. Love and light to you all. Go ahead and take care of yourself. You have one body. If you take care of it, it will take care of you. Take care of yourself and others. Love and light.